How to change desktop icon font color in Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Go to search bar and search for this PC. Then click on properties of this PC. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on advanced system settings located on right side. Then go to settings of performance. After clicking on settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure there is no tick mark and use drop shadows for icon labels on the desktop, which is the last option. After you do that, simply click on Apply, then click on OK. After that, your desktop icon font color will be changed. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.